Yo, what's up? It's a good morning, guys. So for today's run, we will run at least 3K for our recovery. So umaga tayo tatakbo kasi baka mamayang hapon hindi na tayo makatakbo. So unahan na natin yung tamad. Let's go! Let's run recovery. I always saying, keep smiling, be healthy and be wealthy. Run for your life. Let's go! First lap done. 1.35 kilometers with 134th heart rate. That's 2 laps. Let's go. Second lap done with 145 beats per minute heart rate. Let's go. One more to go bago matapos tong run na to. Let's go recovery. So that's our day 11 out of 365. So natapos na natin yung ating 3 laps dito sa Concho Road. Namabot tayo ng almost 4 km for this run. So sana nga recovery to. So sana makarecover yung pa ako. Ayun lang. Don't forget the hashtag pa rin. Run for your... Always be crazy, be wealthy, and be happy. Let's go!